going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle coming at you with another video. In today's video, I will be packaging some orders, just like the title of this video. So if you're into watching people package orders and you want to package orders with me, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited because I do have some packages to I do have some orders to package up, and I am just very thankful for all the love and support that you guys have shown for me since I've started my business. So I'm very pleased with that, and it's a lot of work, but it's very fulfilling and rewarding, and definitely what I want to do. So I'm very pleased, and I'm just really happy, and just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. But yes, if you do not know, we're having a back to school sale going on right now. Everything's 50% off. So you want to get you some bomb ink lashes, okay? Lash accessories. We got lash adhesive, makeup bags, all of that for you, 50% off, so you can be looking good doing those Zoom meetings. And you know, if you're going to school over Zoom, or if you're gonna have a virtual classroom, you still want to look cute and fly. So yes, I have a back to school sale going on, so you guys can check that out at Flirty Gurl Lashes. And if you do not know, I just launched my new bonding eyeliner. So if you are a person that does not like using lash adhesive, or it's just too messy for you, then this is the perfect thing for you. So it's my Flirty Gurl Lashes Luxury Bonding Eyeliner, and basically it is an eyeliner, and I'm wearing it today. So basically it's an eyeliner, and you just draw it on, let it dry, and it'll still be a little tacky, where you can apply your lashes right on top of the liner, and they're gonna stay all day. Look at that. Got them on, boo. They're gonna stay all day until you're ready to take them off. So yes, there's no magnetic in here, no magnets, no glue. It's just liner with extra bonding hold, tacky bond hold. So I'm really pleased. I worked really hard on this formula because I wouldn't put magnets on my eyes. I don't hate anybody that will. I mean, it's a really cool idea, but I'm sorry, I'm not putting magnets on my eyes. And you know, I wanted to help my ladies out that doesn't really, you know, master the lash glue or lash adhesive. So yes, this is perfect, and it's 50% off right now, so I would definitely pick this up and check it out. But yes, I got it on right now, and it dries down matte, as you can see. Super pretty. But yes, now that I got all that out the way for you guys, let's get started in packaging these orders. Okay, so my hands are already sanitized. I can't put my gloves on because I got my nails on right now. And I already went on and got my packagings out and everything out, just to make it a little bit more easier. So we're going to go on and start with the first order, and it's going to be this big one. I already have her packaging slip in here, and she ordered a makeup bag as well, which I put in there as well already. We're going to get her, and these are all her lashes she ordered. She ordered these today. She took advantage of the 50% off sale, and she's getting her some goodies. She got her some 2 natural lashes, and she got her some 3D, some lash adhesive, and a lash applicator. I won't put that in the bag. And then she also got her some of my 3D lashes. She got Classy number 2, and Sassy, and Cutie. They're really cute. That's why they're called Cutie, okay? So I'm hoping that she's very pleased with her orders. So I'm going to get this all in there. So I'm going to put 2 business cards in there, one for her and one for anybody else that may ask her, hey, where'd you get your lashes? So let's go on and get these in here. And as you know, you'll always get a spoolie, and you know, for your lashes or your brows if you need be. And you'll also get a is it going in? Oh, my tag's in the way. I'm like, oh, what's in the way? And you'll also get a wand cleaner, so that way you can clean your lashes. Yes, but she went and stocked up and got one of everything, boo. So since she's already got 2 bags in here, I'm just gonna put this one free. Let's see. There we go. We got everything in there. Whew, she got a lot of stuff, okay? Let's make sure we're going to be able to close this bad boy. Yes. There we go. She did. She got a lot of stuff. Yay. I know she's going to be happy. So let's get this closed up because everything's in there that needs to be. That's not supposed to happen. All right, and then I'm going to take my packaging, my shipping label. I'm about to call it a packaging slip, and put this right on there. Make sure she's on there good. You don't want nobody to be able to open this bad boy. Get none of this stuff out. Oh, I think I'm going to have to get me some custom boxes made for big orders like this. Because, hunty, if anybody was to get any more stuff, it would not fit in this bag. I mean, I could always use a priority box because I do have priority mailers and stuff, or boxes. But I want it to be branded, so yes. There we go. So there we go. Package done. Move on to the next one. So the next one is going to another one of my purchase. This one's a subscriber. So these packages are going to some ambassadors. So she's getting 2 lashes in Fancy and Enticing. These are our natural styles with a spoolie and a wand cleaner. And I'm going to put 2 business cards in here, one for her and anybody else. And we're going to get this inside. There we go. Let's take it. Alright. Put that on there, and we're going to put her label on here. I already handwritten all these labels to make it a little easier and faster, honey. Okay? I like to get stuff done. Alright, so this one is done. So I'm just going to let you watch me do the rest, okay? So I probably won't be doing any talking. So my next ambassador, she wanted to get 2 to 3D. So she got Sassy and Stunna. My ambassadors can pick their own lashes. Because I feel that, you know, you can pick out what you want and try them out. If you don't want to pick them out, then I will pick for you. But yeah. So let's put that in there. Oh, these ones might not. Alright, let's do this. Let's see. So these barely fit in here. Yeah, they don't gonna fit in here at all. Alright, so I'm gonna use a different bag. My square ones won't fit in this bag. So we'll just use this one. It's not that big of a deal. So I think I'm going to get some medium-sized ones and some custom boxes made. Because I wrote her label kind of small too, so is what it is. Thought it was going to go in the small bag, you guys. Hey, you live and you learn, right? We're learning. It's a work in progress. All right. Oh, there we go. And the next one, let me see, I ran out of my bags, my organza bags, so I'm going to grab one of my organza bags, and we're going to grab a spoolie. Don't touch the part that goes on people's eyes. My hands are sanitized, but still. I don't want to do that. Then I'm going to get one of these micro cleaners where you can clean your lashes so they can last. With the proper maintenance and care, they'll last up to 30 wears. So yes, boo. And get that in there. Get her 2 business cards. And there we go. I'm going to get this in the bag. Just love having everything nice and organized and just able to get to. Have this little cart right here and all my little stuff was right there. See, I didn't have a bag, but I was able to get to it. Alright, so I'm going to put my last little shipping label. So there we go. So I got everything packaged up and ready to go. I'll be heading to the post office to drop this stuff off. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I have for this video. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I'll do more of them, packaging videos for you guys. And I'll go more in detail with the packaging. You guys can see me print out the labels and all that. Print out those shipping labels, print out the packaging slip, and, you know, gather all my stuff from my inventory area. Because I like to get everything together, and then I can just sit here and package it up. Because you see how fast it went when I did that. So, yes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And hey, boo, don't forget to take advantage of the sale, 50% off. Okay, 50% off, and you can get you some bomb mink lashes, great quality, cruelty-free, and same-day shipping. Okay, so yes. Until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.